What's up guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Alex and today I'm installing something pretty awesome. I'm pretty excited about this one. So it's going to be a 30-inch light bar that's going behind the grill of my truck. Just because I want it to be like discreet, but I still want the light source. Like I love LEDs, I love light bars, I get really excited about that. It's a RGB Halo light bar. So let's go. I'm going to show you guys what came in the box and then we're going to take off the grill and start installing it. Alright guys, so this is what the LED light bar looks like. Is this one on top. I just wanted to show you guys a comparison between this one with the halo around and then the standard LED light bar. And then there's no halo ring around here, there's the halo ring around this one. And you can actually see it takes a little bit of the actual LED, like the surface area, but I don't think it should interfere with the actual light output. So and then what you get in the box is the remote to change different modes. This is the wire harness, this is your Bluetooth controller, receiver, and here's the switch. So we're gonna have to route this into the truck through the firewall, and then this is gonna be in the engine bay hooked up to the battery. All right, so this is just the LEDs, the halo kit on, and then this is with the LED light bar. Yeah, this stuff is pretty bright. Without it, with it. And this is just on your actual remote, you can change different modes. You can do flash, you can jump different colors, it can fade from color to color, you can have a solid color. This might be my daytime red light right here. And also right now the halo kit is probably at 20% brightness because I want the camera to actually pick it up decently, so I'm not going to do it bright because then it's just going to wash out in the lens. Right, that's the white. And this is auto. You literally just it'll just go between all the modes, and you can actually change different modes right here. And then this is the actual speed between the modes. So you can make it like zip around really quickly, or you can make it go really slow. Alright guys, so once the top part, the plastic part is gone, you got 4 bolts right here on top of the grill. They're 10mm. Unscrew them, and then you can pull off the grill. This is just a test fit. We're gonna, I just taped it right here in the middle, and then I'm gonna, pretty much I put it where I wanna have it, like sitting at, and then we're gonna put the grill on top just to kind of see what interferes, and if we have to, you know, cut any of this, like shroud right here on the inside. If we have to cut any of this stuff, or maybe, I don't know, it should sit right here right underneath the emblem. So I guess we'll see. Let's do a little test fit. Yeah, it's sitting right on the bottom of it. But yeah, it actually looks like nothing is interfering with it. The 30-inch was the perfect size. All right, right now we're gonna pull it down a little bit, and then let's see, we'll put the grill back on again and see if it fits better this time. So this way I don't need to make any custom plates. The mounts are sitting right here, so I can just drill a hole right through here, that's it. Let's turn the light so you guys can see. So that's what it looks like there. That would actually be perfect. So let's see. That's perfect. Sweet. Yeah, you can barely even see it behind it. Oh, you can actually see it pretty good, but without the light, with the light. No, it's pretty good, pretty discreet. All right, I think these should be perfect. They're gonna be probably touching the radiator, so we're gonna have to, you know, drill a hole in the radiator. And yeah, that shouldn't cause any heating issues at all. I'm kidding. Let's find the real ones. So we're gonna get these kind of bolts right here, nice and flush. Yeah, and it's gonna be 1.5 inches. So 1.5 inches should give us enough clearance to bolt it on without touching the radiator. Nylon insert lock nuts. So this is just a bigger example. But instead of getting just regular nuts, we're getting the one that has a little nylon ring, and that's gonna lock it up. So All right, guys. So we finally mounted the LED bar. Literally just drilled a hole through this little metal piece that's going through here, and then put a bolt in here. That's it, and it is tight. It is not going anywhere. Then I ran the wires down into like underneath the bumper. So down underneath the bumper, and then on the side of the headlight, kind of like in the fender well. And it's coming out here by the battery. So that little hole there on the side, that's where I ran the wires. And then I'm gonna put some double-sided sticky tape in here, and then I'm gonna attach this right here. Then I'm gonna attach the power wires, and then the switch wire we're gonna run through the firewall and inside the truck. Yeah, that won't go anywhere, and it looks professional too. And there's enough room to run on my power right here, and then my ground. And my lights are working. And then I can actually turn off the LED light bar. And here is the halo. And just change different modes. This one looks pretty sweet. It's so bright. Oh man, I can't see anything now. Woo! All right, guys, so we mounted up the light bar, double checked, make sure everything's working. Now we're gonna put the grill back on. And we already checked before, the clearance is good, so it's not touching anything, everything's good. So just pop it back into its place in the bottom. That's it. Look, it's not even touching. And then we see right here, we have like this little like mesh. What can you call it? Like mesh or chicken wire or whatever. That's gonna help to stop all the rocks and debris from hitting the actual light bar. This is behind the actual grill part. So yeah, looks pretty sweet. You can still see it and everything, and then the light output, it's still nice and bright. The grill, of course, it takes away some of it, but like you can't see it there. It'll still be nice. At night, it'll be awesome. All right, guys, so the light bar is all installed, everything's hooked up, wires are ran, everything's good. So I decided not to run the switch inside the truck yet today, but because, so the light bar, the actual light bar and the halo light turns on and off with this remote. This remote, see, that's the LED light bar, off, halos on, off, and also with the app. So this is what the app looks like right here. See right there in the top left corner, you can see 1. That means that this light is connected. You can just change the lights, brightness right here. If you go to modes, there's a bunch of different modes that you can do. A bunch of different like variations, colors, combos, all this stuff. So a bunch of different stuff. And also you can actually make some custom presets. That way to save time, just put whatever you want in there. You can actually even time it how long you want it to run here. You can run it to the music, so to the beat. It'll actually run the lights, and the lights gonna sync up and like, you know, move around with the beats. Yeah, see right here, you can actually all on, so all on or all off. So all right, I'm gonna take this truck outside right now, and we'll see how good the light bar is, like if it actually shines pretty good, how powerful the LEDs are, and see what these the halo looks like outside. But yeah, guys, that's what it looks like. It looks pretty sweet. I like it. It's just I think I need to add a little bit more. So this is just the LED lighting, but on the controller right here, Oh yeah. So that is without anything. So let's turn on my headlights. So there's my headlights right there. Yeah, that is the light bar right there. I have it angled down a little bit so it actually doesn't blind everyone. But honestly, I should probably angle it up a little bit so it reaches farther, like probably like down there somewhere. So my headlights are off. This is without anything. This is with the light bar. So yeah, guys, just a little installation video of the LED light bar. This light bar is pretty awesome. Honestly, I want to order like a few more, but I'm going to try to hold off on that one. Yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys have a good night.